Are your legs suddenly feeling weaker, but you're not sure why, or what's changed? What if I told you that leg weakness after 60 isn't just a normal part of aging, but a warning sign your body desperately wants you to notice? In this video, we'll dive deep into 5 hidden causes of leg weakness after 60, and show you what you can do right now to stop it before it's too late. Your legs are trying to tell you something. As we get older, many people start to accept fatigue, joint pain, and muscle weakness as just part of the process. But when it comes to your legs, those feelings of weakness, instability, and soreness may be early signs of deeper problems. Are you finding it harder to walk long distances, climb stairs, or even stand for long periods without discomfort? These aren't just inconveniences. They could be signs that your muscles, nerves, spine, or circulation are being compromised. Ignoring these signs can lead to falls, decreased mobility, and even a loss of independence. But here's the empowering part: once you know the real causes, you can take simple, natural steps to rebuild your strength, improve mobility, and protect your future. Let's uncover the 5 biggest reasons your legs might be getting weaker, and how you can take back control. Reason 1: Muscle loss. Sarcopenia. One of the most common reasons your legs may feel weak is sarcopenia, the gradual loss of muscle mass that comes with aging. This process begins in your 30s but accelerates significantly after 60. And if you're inactive, this loss becomes even more dramatic. By the time you reach your 80s, you may lose up to 30% or more of your muscle mass if no action is taken. This leads to fatigue, weakness, slower movements, and even difficulty doing everyday tasks, like getting out of a chair or walking upstairs. You might notice your legs look thinner, especially around the thighs and calves. There may be a lingering heaviness or discomfort after walking short distances. These are the quiet signs of muscle deterioration. The great news: you can slow, stop, and even reverse this process by incorporating strength-based movements into your day. Start small. Try chair squats, leg lifts, or resistance band workouts from the comfort of your home. Also, don't underestimate nutrition. Your muscles need protein to rebuild. Lean meats, eggs, fish, dairy, beans, lentils, and nuts should be regulars in your diet, and most importantly, move daily. Even a 15-minute walk helps activate leg muscles, improves blood flow, and keeps your joints flexible. Reason 2: Poor circulation. Peripheral artery disease, PAD. Do your legs ever feel cold, tingly, or heavy, especially when walking or standing? Do they cramp easily or feel like they're falling asleep? If so, this could be a red flag for poor circulation, often linked to peripheral artery disease, PAD. PAD occurs when fatty deposits build up inside your arteries, narrowing the blood flow, especially to your legs. This means less oxygen and fewer nutrients get to your muscles, causing pain, cramping, fatigue, and even wounds that heal slowly. You might also experience pain that disappears when you sit down. That's because the legs are not getting the circulation they need during activity. How can you improve this? Start with light daily walking, around the house, yard, or even at the grocery store. Stay hydrated, which helps maintain healthy blood flow. Cut down on salty foods to reduce water retention and swelling. Elevate your legs when sitting or lying down to help blood return to your heart. Try warm foot soaks and leg massages to encourage circulation. If you suspect PAD, speak to your doctor. Left untreated, it increases the risk of heart attack, stroke, and even limb complications. Reason 3: Nerve damage. Peripheral neuropathy. Another silent cause of leg weakness is nerve damage, specifically peripheral neuropathy. a condition that affects nearly 1 in 3 older adults, especially those with diabetes, alcohol overuse, or vitamin B12 deficiency. You might feel a burning sensation in your feet, or like you're stepping on cotton or foam. Some describe it as tingling, others as complete numbness. Either way, it's your body telling you that your nerves aren't functioning properly. Over time, damaged nerves affect your balance, coordination, and ability to sense where your feet are, making walking dangerous and unpredictable. To fight back, monitor blood sugar levels if you're diabetic, eat foods rich in vitamin B12, like fish, dairy, fortified cereals, and leafy greens. Avoid alcohol, which accelerates nerve damage. Consider foot massages, warm baths, and even acupuncture to stimulate blood and nerve activity. And remember, never ignore prolonged numbness or tingling. Get checked early. Nerve damage progresses quietly but can be slowed with the right attention. Reason 4, spinal issues, sciatica, herniated discs. Posture. You might be surprised to learn that your spine has a direct impact on your leg strength. That's because nerves controlling your legs travel through your lower back. If those nerves are compressed due to a herniated disc, spinal stenosis, or poor posture, your legs can lose function. Do you feel shooting pain from your lower back down one leg? Is one leg weaker than the other? Or do you feel numbness in your toes? These are signs that your spine is affecting your mobility. To relieve spinal pressure, try gentle back stretches like knee-to-chest holds or lying spinal twists. Avoid long periods of sitting. Stand and move every 30 minutes. Use a lumbar support cushion when sitting for comfort. Sleep with a pillow under your knees if lying on your back, or between your knees if you sleep on your side. Maintaining spine health helps you avoid nerve pinching and keeps your legs strong, balanced, and coordinated. Reason 5, electrolyte imbalance, low magnesium potassium. Have you ever been jolted awake by a painful leg cramp? Or felt your legs go weak for no clear reason? These could be signs of electrolyte imbalance, particularly low magnesium and potassium. These minerals are crucial for proper muscle contraction and relaxation. Without them, you're prone to spasms, cramps, twitches, and general weakness. They also impact hydration and nerve signaling. Why do these deficiencies happen? Dehydration, medications like diuretics, poor diet lacking in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. To fix this naturally, eat potassium-rich foods like bananas, oranges, avocados, sweet potatoes, and spinach. For magnesium, add almonds, beans, whole grains, and dark chocolate to your meals. Stay well hydrated, especially in warm weather. Try Epsom salt baths at night. Magnesium is absorbed through the skin and relaxes muscles. Maintaining proper mineral levels can dramatically reduce nighttime cramps and keep your muscles functioning smoothly day to day. Conclusion: take action before it's too late. We often associate leg weakness with just getting old, but now you know the truth. It's your body sending signals that it needs help. Whether it's muscle loss, nerve damage, circulation issues, spinal misalignment, or a mineral imbalance, you have the power to reverse the damage. Start with these small steps today. Do light strength exercises every day, eat more protein and nutrient-rich foods, drink plenty of water and restore key minerals, stretch your back and legs to stay mobile, walk daily to improve circulation and stamina, monitor blood sugar and vitamin levels. Weak legs don't have to be your new normal. Rebuild your strength, protect your independence, and feel more confident in every step. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share it with someone who needs stronger, healthier legs. Comment below, which of these 5 reasons surprised you the most?